Did you know this giant bird can't fly, but it runs faster than a horse? The ostrich, the absolute biggest bird living on our planet today. It can grow up to 2.7 meters tall, taller than the average basketball player. Ostriches can sprint at incredible speeds, up to 70 kilometers per hour, the fastest bird alive. Their kick is so powerful, it can seriously injure or even kill a lion. When scared, they bury their head in sand, but actually only to hide their eyes. Ostrich eggs are the largest of any bird, 15 times bigger than a chicken egg. Chicks hatch after 42 days and are already 25 centimeters tall when they break out. They have the biggest eyes of any land animal, each one bigger than a tennis ball. But habitat loss and hunting are seriously threatening their survival. Wild ostrich populations have dropped by 30 to 50% in recent decades, so this giant, super fast running wonder really needs our help right now.